Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday. It is April 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the US dollar CAD yesterday did go down and make a double bottom or a new low, which means for me personally, my new structure level is actually way up here because that's the last major swing high before we went down and made a new swing low. What does that mean? That means that anything that price does in between these two lines has to be assumed to be nothing more than a correction. Price could go up, take out this high, and that doesn't tell me anything. It could go up and just make a correction to this last wave down and then just keep on trending down. I would not personally be looking for buys unless it broke this high right here, because that's what's going to tell me that this whole move down is over. Anything that goes up in between these two lines is very likely just a correction to the downtrend. So I definitely would still be recommending shorts unless price decides to go up and break this high right here. So it is Easter Sunday on Sunday, and it is Good Friday today. So I hope everybody enjoys time with friends and family. Happy holidays, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.